Yeah?
It's Ursula.
Come in.
Hi, Pete.
Hi.
There's a phone call for you. It's Mary Jane. She called back.
Really?
Yeah. I put the phone on top of the thing.
Thanks. Okay. Hey.
Hi.
Oh, I'm so glad you called. I've been, trying to...
Can you meet me?
You bet.
Now?
Okay. Where?
At the bridge in the park?
On my way.
Okay.
Okay. Hey. I love you. You look beautiful. Peonies. You okay?
No. There's something I have to tell you, Pete.
Okay.
It's not working. You and me.
What?
I don't want to see you anymore.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. I'm lonely. You aren't there for me. I can't do this. It's over.
No. Please. Please don't say that. I know I've been selfish, but I can do better. I can change.
Not that simple.
We love each other. I love you. We have problems. When people have problems, they work it out. They talk to each other. Look, you see? You know what this is? You know what I want for us?
There's someone else. I've fallen in love with someone else.
Bravo.